Hey guys, good morning at 8:31 a.m. at 8:31 a.m. Yes, I better wake at 6 a.m. this morning because I can't sleep anymore. I'm out of breath. I have no idea why, but okay. I'm not riding fast. I'm not riding fast at all. I'm taking my time. And all I know, I have to get home. When I go to Emancipation, I'm going around one time and come home. Because I don't want to get caught in the rain. We have rain today, so I went for a bike ride kind of early this morning. Before it gets too hot and before it rains. Because it won't be too much longer. This rain be hitting us hard. This rain be hitting us hard, cold. Hard. Dogs. Just dogs. I hear them barking, you know. I don't know well, but hi Tesla. A blackie. I mean, a black one. A black Tesla. I don't mind them too much, the black ones, but sometimes they have to go. I won't be here that long. Supposed to be open at 1 o'clock today. They wasn't open yesterday due to a couple swim lessons. That would be heavy. I'm going home soon. It's much longer. Beautiful dog. No problem. Yeah, I like telling people have a beautiful dog. Because, you know, you do. Yeah. Checking. About the downpour on us. I'm just going over here real fast to see if anything. Now, big drop off. Big thank you. Yep. Now I'm heading home. I don't want to get caught in this rain. I got caught in it yesterday. Not heavy, but yeah. Want to hurry up. Hopefully I make it, because I don't want to get caught in it. In my first video this morning. I'm in the road right now, but I'm gonna hurry up, you know, I'm out.